Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400 ABS. This twin-cylinder lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 1,288 miles. It's got a really cool smoke windscreen, frame sliders, phone mount, and an awesome sounding Leo Vinci exhaust. Low mileage, ready to go. It's got the blue and silver paint scheme. Come on by and make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.